Everything seems peaceful today.
Yeah, finally a normal day.
What is that glowing thing? Did that just COP itself? That's not normal.
Everything is multiplying.
Marsha!
Wait, that's ME? Wait, I'm Yo-You?
We must stop the cloning! It's getting out of control.
Stop running, me! You stop! No, Y-O-U, stop!
Ha! The core is getting stronger.
We shut down the core. Reversal device ready. Let's do it!
It's working! The clones are vanishing! Ha!
Only one me left. That's enough. It's still glowing.
Pop, hi! No way! I'm Mini-You! Oh no!
No job is too big, and no clone too M-any.
Why are these balloons pulling upward so hard?
They feel, stronger than normal. The balloons are stealing stuff?
This is turning into a balloon storm!
Power!
They're multiplying!
Ah! That cluster is huge! I'm flying! Woohoo! Look out below! Or above! Oh! Yeah, this is awesome!
Yo? Why am I upside down?
We must bring everything down! Ooh, anchoring time! Ah!
Heavy anchors ready! Recycled weights deployed. Hold steady.
Stabilizing!
in.
We got control! They're coming down!
Back on the ground! Nice work! This one looks suspicious. I don't think it's gonna stop.
Pop!
It still scared me. Ha! It just surprised me, though.
It was pretty loud, Marsh.
No job is too big. And no balloon too floaty. The water looks jumpy.
Oh! Wait, it's bouncing?
Water isn't supposed to bounce. This could get dangerous. It's getting wild.
Oh! That wave is huge! Huge!
Hey, hurry! I can't stop bouncing. Hey! We need to stabilize the water. Let's block it. Barrier ready. Hurry and dory. Reinforced. bouncing. Still bouncing. Keep control. Stabilized. It's slowing.
Back to normal.
Hi. Oh, no. Still bouncing.
Not again. Woo.
No job is too big, and no wave too bouncy.
The air feels weirdly light today. Yeah, and why are there tiny bubbles floating?
Bubbles don't grow from the ground, right?
This is not normal. Stay alert.
They're getting bigger.
Whoa! Whoa! That bubble is huge! Hey! Everyone back up! It's unstable!
It's gonna,
Whoa! Wow!
That was a lot of foam.
This is a foam disaster! We need to contain it! I got this? I don't got this! The foam is heading into town! Uh-oh, let's redirect it! Digging foam trenches. Recycling foam into blocks. Keep it moving!
It's working. The foam is slowing.
Flow redirected. Flow, Greyad. Go. Everything under control.
Guys, this one looks suspicious. Seriously? Haha, just a tiny one. It still got me.
No job is too big. No is too big. And no bubble is too messy.
The sand is moving by itself?
That's definitely not normal.
Why is the sand floating?
It's turning into a storm.
And it's getting bigger. That tornado is huge! It is coming!
I can't see anything.
We must block the sand! Time to dig barriers! Barrier ready! Reinforcing it!
Impact incoming!
Hold it steady!
It's working!
Nice teamwork!
Zadalji! Storm is weakening.
We stopped it! Imet Big Ten Dad Bin Yok Gidan Gidan Barely! Huh? Oh, tiny tornado?
Not again!
No job is too big, and no storm
Too dusty.
Everything looks normal today. Yeah, maybe TOU normal.
Wait, why did everything just freeze? time is glitching.
This is not good.
Everything is speeding up and slowing down. Whoa! What's happening?
Why am I so slow?
We need to stabilize time. But hello!
The clock system is malfunctioning.
The glitches are getting The glitches are getting stronger.
Activate stabilization.
System recalibrating.
Hold it steady.
It's working. Everything is stabilizing. I can move again. Help!
Nice teamwork. Why is this clock going backwards?
Wait, I just did that twice.
No job is too big. And no time glitch too weird.
The snow looks extra shiny today.
Perfect for sliding.
Why is everything turning into ice?
This hill is turning dangerous. It's too slippery. The ice is spreading fast.
I can't stop! Oh! Whoa! 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 Marshall, are you okay? Yeah, I think so. We must stop this slide! And I'll add water control.
Building snow wall. Reinforcing it.
Impact incoming. Impact incoming.
Hold it steady.
Yeah, this thing feeling bad.
It's working! Almost there! Slopping. Slide is stopping.
We did it! Great teamwork.
Great teamwork. It's cracking again.
Not again.
No job is too big, and no slide is too slippery.
Do you smell honey? Yeah! A lot of honey.
Why is honey falling from the sky? This could flood the town. It's getting sticky. That's a honey wave. Oh, yay!
I'm stuck! Oh, help!
I can't move at all. At all.
We must stop the flow! Digging sticky trenches.
Bang, bang, building eco barriers. Keep it steady.
Almost done.
Flow controlled.
All safe now.
sticky. Drip? Not again. No job is too big, and no mess too sticky.
Good morning, Marshall. Something feels off today.
I hope it's not another messy day. I just cleaned my paws. Zuma, look! The hill is shaking!
Whoa!
That doesn't look good at all!
Emergency alert! Possible mudslide near the hill.
Let's gear up and fly out!
Did someone say mud? I'm ready to dig. Let's recycle and clear the path safely.
Water is mixing with the soil. This is getting worse.
We need to warn everyone nearby! Let's block this road before anyone gets hurt. I'll set up safety cones.
I'll dig a trench to stop the mud.
I'll build barriers using recycled materials. From up here, I can see the mud moving fast. We need to act quickly.
The bridge is in danger. Let's secure it before it collapses. Ready? Aye! The trench is working. But we need more support.
I'll bring extra tools.
Hey. I've redirected the water flow. Less pressure on the mud now.
The mudslide is slowing. Hey, great teamwork, everyone. No more slipping today.
Rubble on the double saved the day.
Another mission completed! Oh! We were fast and fearless.
And eco-friendly, too.
No job is too big, no pup is too small. PAW Patrol is always ready to help. Marshall, why is everything T.O. quiet today? Yeah, it feels like something B.I.G. is about to happen.
Zuma, the clouds are spinning. That's not normal. A.T.O.
Why is the ground bubbling?
That's definitely not eco-friendly.
Emergency! The hill is turning into a mud volcano! Oh!
Guys, the mud is lifting up.
It's exploding!
Take cover. This is a mud storm. Oh, I'm flying above it. Wait, it's following me.
I think I'm safe. Oh! Never mind.
The mud is heading straight to the town. Time to DIG fast. Digging at MAX speed.
I'll build a mega barrier!
We're running out of time.
Aha! Dodgeball! This is huge. I can't stop it alone.
Water flow redirected. Barrier locked in place.
We did it, right? Why is it bubbling again?
Okay, that one got me.
That was tiny.
No job is too big, and no mess is too small.
Nice calm day today. Yeah, nothing weird at all.
Wait, why are those rocks going UP? Gravity is reversing. Everything is floating.
This is getting out of control.
I'm floating! Ah! Why is the sky below me?
We must restore gravity. Let's anchor everything.
Anchor's ready. Securing objects.
They're still rising.
Activate gravity stabilizer.
Powering up.
Hold steady. It's working! Everything is coming down.
Back on my paws! Great job, team.
Why is that still floating? Not again. Ha ha. Not again. Ha ha. Not again. Ha ha.
No job is too big, and no gravity too crazy.